Hi guys, this is Ashley. My boyfriend hates being on cam when he's sleeping, so I thought I'd do a video. That's him right there. Him sleeping. My kitty. He's gonna kill me when he finds out I did this. He's in his underwear, so we can't tell anybody I did that, especially him. I'm drinking Pepsi. I squish the bottle kind of. It keeps the air, the stuff from going fizzy. One more look. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me.